The case of public prosecutor versus Ottavio Quattrocchi.
The case was held in Malaysia by Augustine Paul in December 2002. His name is Ottavio Quattrocchi, an Italian businessman who was being sought until 2009 in India for criminal charges for acting as a conduit for bribes in the Bofors scandal.
Ottavio is born in Italy, resident in India and went to Malaysia.
Ottavio's case is everywhere in the news then. He is involved in the Bofors scandal.
There were two objections by the respondent's counsel. 1. That no charges has been framed against the respondent by the Union of India, and 2. When the warrant of apprehension was executed, no charges had been read out to the respondent. Issues of this case: 1. Whether there was provision for appeal from decision of Sessions Court to the High Court. 2. Whether decision of High Court final and conclusive. 3. Whether there was right of appeal from High Court to Court of Appeal. And 4. Whether the respondent is a tourist in Malaysia.
Court's decision.
1. The applicant's preliminary objection was overruled. 2. The order of the High Court shall be final and conclusive. 3. There was no right of appeal. And 4. The respondent was not just a mere tourist.
Decision and reasoning.
At the time when Ottavio left Malaysia, the said order had not been made yet. To require him to comply with the said order could be heard would mean that he would have to come back to Malaysia not only to surrender his passport but, effectively, to surrender himself when in fact he had been unconditionally discharged. Because the way to challenge the decision of the Sessions Court was either by way of an application for a writ of habeas corpus or by way of a review. The words final and conclusive meant that the orders were not appealable. It was against the decision of the High Court that the applicant purported to appeal to this court. The respondent had come to and lived in Malaysia since 1993, and there is evidence that he is the principal director of VADSDN BHD and that he conducted all his business dealings in Malaysia through this company, even though the company is in a poor financial state.